So today's problem of the day for lead code is type of triangle. So this is one of the easiest problem I think I have ever encountered in lead code. So, but there is a catch, and that catch I also did not see for the first time when I was reading the question. So let's read the question first. We are given in zero indexed array nums of size 3, so size will be 3 always, which can form the sides of a triangle. Okay? A rectangle is called equilateral triangle if all sides are equal length. So this is an equilateral triangle where you can see the three sides have the same length A, and A. The rectangle is called isosceles if it has exactly two sides equal length. So in this example, we can see that these two sides are equal length. So this is an isosceles triangle. A triangle is called scalene if all the sides are different length. So this is a scalene triangle where every side has different length. So we have to find, given an input, we have to find whether this particular input is equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. Or I did not see this for the first time. You have to also check for none case where we cannot form a rectangle. Sorry, triangle. So for the first case, as you can see, all the three are same. So we'll return equilateral triangle. In the second test case, as you can see, all three are of different length. So we'll return isosceles triangle. So, but here the none case is very important, where you have to define which case we have to consider as invalid case. So for that, a very well-known property of a triangle is sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. This is a very important observation or very important property of any triangle. If in any case, if a plus b is less than or equal to c, then that triangle we will say that it's invalid. So this property is very important. I also did not read the complete question. I saw first three lines and I started coding. I got the first submission as wrong answer and because I did not see the none case. After that I saw the none case and then I did the. So for equilateral triangle, it's very simple. We have to check all three are same or not. It's very simple. If statement is enough, and this is also very simple. If all the three are not equal, we'll return that. Isosceles is also very simple. We'll check if any two sides are equal. We'll return that it's an isosceles triangle. So we have to return a string value. So we'll directly go to the code and we'll check what is the code. So this is for none case. This is for isosceles case. This is for so this is for equilateral triangle because we have written and this is for isosceles case. This is for scaling. So in the none case, in this if statement, I've written all the possible cases that we can encounter. We can take 0 1, we can check with 2, we can take 0 2, we can check with 1. Yeah, we can take 1 2, check with 0. Or else what we can do is we can sort this array as sort nums and we'll check for only one case and that will be this case because if two minimum numbers is less than the maximum number in that particular triangle, then if this satisfies, then every other possibility will satisfy. So if we run this, so test cases passes, if we submit. So this is also the code they have provided in editorial. They also sorted the array as this is O of 1 because 3 log 3 is constant. The complete code is constant space and constant time. Thank you for watching, and I think this the only case that this has acceptance 50%, less than 50% is due to this. I think many people like me did not read the last statement and just submitted reading this 4 lines. Thank you for watching, and bye.